Welcome back. In the last video, I mentioned that we will start coding in PHP, but I just changed my mind and we will use Flutter and Dart instead. So in case you have no idea what Flutter is, it is an open source UI software development kit created by Google, and you can use it for building applications for Android, iOS, web with a single code base. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and give a like. So now let's get started. We're going to build this weather app, and it has three functions as follows. The app changes the background image based on the current time of the day. So we have two background images, daytime and nighttime. The app displays the city name. Also, the app displays the temperature. So now we'll talk about widgets. When we talk about Flutter, we're talking about widgets. So what is a widget? When you click on an app and you see the app elements rendered on your screen, these elements and components are the widgets. For example, we have this device, and we have the first element is the profile image. This can be considered as a widget. Also, we have this text field is also a widget. Also, this button is also a widget. So these are the widgets, and we're going to talk about them deeply in the next videos. Regarding this training course, no experience is required. So that means we will start from the very beginning, and after finishing this course, you will be ready to get started diving deep into Flutter. So now, all you need is setting up the environment to get ready to start practicing. So first you have to download Android Studio. Just type here Android Studio. Then click on the here on the download. Click right here. Just check here that you have read and agreed. Then start downloading it. Here it starts. It's going to start downloading. Also, you still need to install Flutter. So just type here Flutter. Then click on this link, install. Then just select your operating system. So in my case, Windows. Then follow the instructions here. If you have any issue setting up the environment, just send me an email and I will try to upload a video explaining how to set up the environment. So regarding this weather app, in the next video we will start explaining how to design the interface, and we will start writing code and explaining every single line. And thank you for watching. See you then.